Hey rail fans, it's Bruce in Lakeland Connection, Lakeland, Florida. This is Y-162. Oh, wait, we got some powder spilling out. I don't know how well it shows up on the video. This is the local train with the shoving platform. And I believe what we heard on the scanner that they are going to go past the Y here and then shove up north towards 10th Street. Hey rail fans, it's Bruce at the Lakeland Connection, and this is a local train. The shoving platform, caboose they use as a shoving platform. Locomotive 6461.